the lower senses carry us through the world by, in a way, being a deed, yeah? Letting deeds happen just by us observing them, but just by us being present. Letting us detect what the I might be or is. And for this, saying hello, just touch your, if that's possible, your thighs, the sense of equilibrium, the knees, the topic theme of today, sense of movement, the lower legs, the calves, sense of life, and even then the feet, the soles of the feet, sense of touch, and slowly come up again. And then try to feel the system of the legs as a four-membered system. Okay, there are four of you. Nice. And now you know we do the O and the U, and as we deal with the system of light, which makes movement come about, we do the gestures above, if it's easy for you to do them above. If it hurts, do not try it to do it above. Just do it where it feels good, and imagine a second pair of arms doing it above. But you are completely in your 80% are your real arms, on 20% you perceive another pair of fantasy arms, or arms in your fantasy. And we create the O above from the heart, just from the heart. The arms, the hands are carried upwards, and my big heart makes them round and create a beautiful O gesture. And this makes me feel my feet. And arrive. And we do this O gesture, and we create it from the heart, and try to do it in a way that it makes our legs move forward, but we try to stay alive, aware of the thighs, thinking, sense of balance. The heart creates the O, and notice when do the legs want to start moving. Don't start early. Yes, sense of balance. Could you feel your thighs? And on the way back, we do the same and feel the feet, sense of touch. When do they want to start? Feet, feel them. Sense of touch. Then let go. When we do the U, there are so many different ways, and we want to do them above, but in a triangle of light, that means no effort at all. How can we do an U gesture up there without any effort? Yeah? It's simple. You just have to find out how to do it. And to prepare, to just stand normally, the arms are relaxed. And then we try to practice, can I pull my body together, contract my body in a way that I only contract my body. My arms, they relax completely, but they feel pulled towards the body by themselves. And through this contraction, inner light comes into existence. Just relax, breathe, do a step. Yeah? It's just trying. The arms are just relaxed. They don't do anything, they just hang there. I contract my body, and like a magnet, it attracts the arms and makes me feel slim but tall. And relax to take a new breath, because it's really contracting. And the funny thing is that you can do the same thing above. your head. You just enter with your arms the triangle of light, and then you are in your body and you contract your body down there, and the contraction down there makes your arms come in, even find its parallelity. And then let go, and the arms just go and come down again. We do it one more time standing, and then we try to do it walking, one time backward, forwards, and then we sit down. And it's just trying, it's just having fun. And remember, all of you who don't want to lift the arms, do it down here, but you notice it also down there. And those for whom it's no problem, we prepare them, feel the lightness. And it's the same, you should not bring your arms in. You only work down there in your body, and you contract, and the arms just feel brought in. And I work down there, I work down there, oh so. And I don't do anything in my arms. And then I let go, breathe, and I'm happy. Yeah, last time, just preparing, walking forward while we feel the knees, the system of the senses of movement. Preparing, lightness, contracting, feeling the knees, sense of movement, contract. By contracting, keep your arms up and relax. And it's just playing. It's not, don't have to succeed at all. Breathe, just relax your arms one last time. Prepare them one more time, in which height ever. Contract your body, work down there, don't do anything above. Feel the calves, the lower legs. Sense of life. Keep the contraction down there. Don't do anything up there. Relax. Be proud of you. Never mind how far you got, be proud of you. Arrive at yourself, thank yourself. Let your breath, your chest react. Let go. And calmly move to where you can sit and listen to how you feel now. After having worked with the rear wings, a triangle of light carrying the middle wings, just letting go towards the center of the earth, carrying these wings from underneath. Then this going out through the intervals, sensing that you have got everything what you are in your garden, but that it's a connection to the outside, that it even belongs or is not there, that it can dissolve there, and that it needs something to bring it in again, and that this can change the perception or the feeling of how it is to live in your garden. We are playing with the secrets between the knees and the chest, the elementary forces of light and gravity, and the F, very much connected to what we carry in our soul. And one, just being an inspiration to the other. And something comes about when we play with them, we allowed ourselves to feel into it with the will. And then we just said, hello, yes, 4 lower senses. We can touch them. We can feel they are there. And we can feel that it is nice to be in touch with them. And what's the overall impression you get from how your body reacts to all these being touched from so many beautiful sides? Being in touch with so many beautiful beings, helpful beings. How do you perceive what's living in your body? But also, how is your body looking at you?